Okay,
If your love is true, then you can also feel their intentions.
okay, let me ask you something. Question: like, if love is important in a love marriages, then why all the love marriages at the end are getting divorced? All the couples. Why?
Not all the-
Not,
not
all.
all.
Like 80% of a.
How
like
can you
I
say
have
80%?
example. I
How
have
can you say
example.
80%?
Like all the person we have seen.
Hardik
Yeah.
Pandya.
I have also example. Virat Kohli. See, Virat
It
Kohli
is
and
love
Anushka
marriage.
Sharma. Yes.
It is both love and arranged. Both family agreed at that time, and then they will.
Firstly, everyone, my name is Lankeshri, and today our topic is love marriage versus arranged marriage. So I'm in favor of love marriage because in Hindu philosophy, love marriage is a union of Atma and Paramatma, not only persons. And according to Hindus, love as a divine force that brings two individuals together.
Hello everyone, this is Saira Aziz, and I am supporting that arranged marriage is more trustable and more deeper understanding in both individuals. Thank you. So why do you support that? Why do you say that Paramatma believe that love marriage is a union in both? How can you say that?
So I connect it with not only with physically. I connect the love marriage with internally, mentally, with the Atma and Paramatma, because love marriage is not what we see in this generation. It is not depends, because people are making the fun of the love marriage. It is all about the connection between Atmas and Paramatmas, not only the persons.
So, what I think that marriages is not in both individuals. It is about the families and a relation between two families. And in love marriages, there are many conflict between both families, because everyone has doing intercaste marriages that conflicted between the families.
As you say that love marriage can make conflict between two families, so it is also happens with arranged marriage. I have seen many examples in my family also, but it is not dependent what kind of marriage, love or arrange. Families conflicts are normal. We can see in society. In love marriage, there are also intercaste family also meet with the happiness, interact with the happiness. They don't have problems. It also good.
But now in this time, many marriages that happen in love are not that successful.
You see the love marriage as bad side, but it
no,
is not
no,
bad.
we are not
No,
seeing
it is
love
not
marriage as
bad.
a bad side. We are just saying that both individuals who are taking decision only for themselves, not thinking about their family, and they
But sometimes they
stay
ask,
from
but
the
it is
house.
not happens with many. Every time they firstly ask with their parents, and
Like in 100%, there are 50% marriages that they are escape from home,
so
and they
it
do
depend
marriage.
on person. Then how can you say love marriage is wrong?
Yes.
You say that love marriage is a good, but in the arranged marriage, the not only the two person connect, it connects the two families. But in love marriage, sometimes their families did not given their permission to do love marriage. That's why the peoples go from home and marriage in any temple. That's reason their parents were so upset with their child, and it's all the ratio of doing this work is high before the arranged marriage.
As I mentioned in my opinion that in this generation people are making fun of the love marriage, but that doesn't prove that love marriage is wrong or arranged marriage is right.
As
Okay,
you see-
it depends on people what they choose.
So-
They choose to they choose to secretly marriage from their parents. Yes, it is bad. Yes, I support it. This
What?
is bad, but I don't support that love marriage is wrong.
Okay, let me tell you about what is wrong. Like in arranged marriage, you have love for your partner. It is right. But in love marriages, if you are only taking your decision by your own and not consulting by your
With your
with your parents, it is wrong also.
Firstly it's happened every person considered this with their parents. If they don't allow, then they take a big decisions.
That's
Yes,
wrong.
yes, I
That is
support.
wrong.
Listen, I support that's wrong.
Yeah.
But it doesn't prove. I already said in my opinion that it doesn't prove that love marriage is wrong. It's person's own choice to do make the love marriage show in society wrong.
Parents always disagree with love marriage, then that's why the children take their decisions, and that is not right. If that is right, then parents would allow them.
As
If they
you-
are not allowed, that there is some reason for that.
As you
Sir,
say-
can we connect this with some religious history?
that love marriage is a good, but the family of a person is not happy, so how the child was happy? When the family, the father or mother is not happy to their child.
Why are you taking only one example? As I already said, yes, it is wrong. People are making fun of this. Okay, let me take an example. That if you are saying the parents are not happy of this, ठीक है? Sorry,
Okay.
sorry, sir.
No.
So, in the end of when the Kali Yuga is starting, Krishna already said that parents are what are they? Parents they try to over secure of them. They always pamper of them, and they take wrong decisions sometimes for this. And when we are saying love marriage is wrong, so we have seen that every gods have done love marriage, and arranged marriage makes by our society, not for not our God make
As
arranged
you
marriage.
take
God has the
as you-
ability to think who is right, who is wrong. They have their power to think that a person is wrong or right. In this time, the over all the youth have no sense of ability to take decision and taking a right person. They always choose
if you
impulsive decisions.
if you love someone, you not only connected them with physically, you also connected them with mentally. So if you connect with them mentally, with atma, with the soul, then you understand their feelings also. So so you can also see their if you
Okay.
if
let
your
me
love
ask-
if your love is true, then you can also feel their intentions.
Okay, let me ask you something. Question. Like, if love is important in a love marriages, then why all the love marriages at the end are getting divorced? All the couples. Why?
Not all the-
Not
not
all.
all.
Like 80% of a.
How
like
can you
I
say
have
80%?
example. I
How
have
can
an
you say
example.
80%?
Like all the person
Russia,
we have seen.
Hardik
Yeah.
Pandya.
I have also example. Virat Kohli. See, Virat
It
Kohli
is
and
love
Anushka
marriage.
Sharma. Yes.
It is both love and arranged. Both family agreed at that time, and then they will.
Firstly, it's love
And
marriage.
if we take love
Firstly,
You
marriage as
have any
example,
other
there
example?
only example of
tell me one thing.
You
Tell me.
have
One
any
thing.
other example except Virat Kohli?
except.
सोचने
Yeah.
दीजिए सर ऐसे
I
डायरेक्ट
Like
have
we have
many
example of
example.
Amir Khan and Reena Datta who get divorced, and like Hrithik Roshan and Susan Khan.
And also
There are many
Why are you
examples.
connecting this stuff with Bollywood actors?
Bollywood
Not
are not
the
humans.
Bollywood actors,
Bollywood
you know.
people are not
They are
humans.
humans. They are
They are humans also.
They are
If
making
we
fun
take-
of religious things.
if we
They
take-
are making also fun of
If
it.
we are getting motivated with them, why do not we take example of them? Why? If they are human, we are getting their motivation to them. We can take examples.
So we can also learn so many examples, but it gave us wrong impact.
okay.
The topic is the love marriage is a wrong impact on all the.
Why are you connecting these?
As you say that in our generation, I accept Kalyug, many got to love marriage, but in that generation they do marriage of their son into the form of the arranged marriage. As you say that in the Mahabharat, their son's marriage in the permission of their father. So they are got that do they arrange love marriage because
The concept of love marriage in society is going very bad. You don't know about it
Because of the
Listen,
people's, no?
first, let
Because
me
of-
complete. Let
Okay.
me complete. Okay. So what are you thinking? If two persons do love and if their family agrees, so it's love arranged. How? Why? Why it is not only love marriage?
Because
Why are you connecting two marriages together?
so why
Because it's
why they
arranged
take
by your
divorce?
family, and
Listen
if you
first,
have
because
love,
let me complete
you
my
are
question.
only
Let me
completing your.
complete. Let me give me some time.
Yes.
If family agrees, it's love arranged, and if family don't agree, it's love marriage. Why? Why it is not love
Family
marriage?
is important in your marriage because you
Then
have
she
to
is
live
not,
with your
she is
family.
not getting my question. She is not getting my
I'm
question.
getting all the
No. And it is, if family agrees, it is love arrange. If family agrees, if the name given arrange, if family won't, the name given love marriage. Why? I that love marriage is not always successful. What about arranged marriage? We can also see in Bollywood there are so many cases that arranged marriage also fails. You say that it depends on marriages, that love or arrange love is mostly fail, but it is not true. It depends on person, that marriages are not always fail. We can also see the big example trending in social media, Aishwarya Rai and Abhishek Bachchan. They also do arrange, but they
But
fails.
as you give the example of Aishwarya Rai, in the cricket industry, as you see Mohammad Shami doing love marriage, they take
Get
divorce to their wife, and also
They-
Hardik Pandya do
Shikhar Dhawan.
love marriage, and also Shikhar Dhawan
It's their personal thing, their personal
Then why
misunderstanding.
the arranged marriage have not for a personal thing? If love marriage
Okay,
have
I'm
personal thing,
saying,
let agree that individuals have their own decisions.
I'm saying it is their personal misunderstanding. I'm not blaming that arranged marriage is not good or good. I'm saying from my starting that love marriage is better than arranged marriage. अब क्या सर
No.
sorry. Now society make the fun and make the wrong theories about love marriage. So what we can do for this?
Let
We
not-
cannot take love marriage as a wrong way. If we tell our family about love marriage, as he said before starting the debate, his father become angry. Why? Why? Because people have thought in their mind love marriage is always bad. It is not. It is not about
So
the
you say-
physical interaction between two people.
So when you say to your father, I do love marriage, he not angry.
Yes, of course he's
So
become
why he angry?
Of course, because I'm saying that society always make a bad theories
So how
about
can
it.
you take love marriage?
Because it is not only about, as I am saying, it is not only about
You
physical
also
connection.
do arranged marriage, so why you can say?
How can you say I also want to do arranged marriage?
इसका मतलब
It's
वो
my
मत-
choice. Why
वो
are you
मतलब
taking this
कैसे?
topic into my or her? It's my choice. It's my future. Social topic, because societies
वो
are.
मतलब नहीं था. After listening this debate, I can conclude that love marriage and arranged marriage both are good. This depend upon the understanding of the person. Thank you.
I am against for arranged marriage is only because, as our debate proves, that what society think about love marriage. That's why I am in the against of arranged marriage. But after listening this debate, I conclude that both the marriages are right. But I am only supporting love marriage because of the wrong message in society, because the children are taking the love marriage in wrong way. Thank you.